This tutorial is going to be all about how to make different exits for your rooms and link one exit to the next. So let me just go ahead and show you the exits that exist for this game that I've made on Samurai Debt. I'm going to X out of some of these other things just to keep this real simple. Great, so here's your room tab, here's your exits and ending tab. So as you can see, there's a little arrow right here, which corresponds to this little black spot here. And this is obviously the same room as this one. So this is where you exit, and then this is where the exit links to its destination. So I have my first door, basically, so it's at the end of this room, and it connects to this room. See how there's the one here and the one here? So this is the same room. So you come out of the room here, and you're teleported here, and then your player walks out, and then this would be the next door, and then let me show you where that door goes. So that door at the bottom of this page links to the top of the next page, and you can see the little 2 here, so we know that it's linking you to this. And basically I've just set for all of my rooms, basically you enter the room at the top, you exit the room at the bottom. And that's the case for all of them, except for 5 linking to 6, you exit at the bottom, and it links you to the top right here, and then 6 looks different just because it's the last room in the game, and I want it to visually stand out. So that's basically how you do it. So if you wanted, just as an example, maybe I wanted to make another room, so I'll just say, example, ending room. And I'll just paint a little bit of stuff in here, not with the colors tab, with the paint tab. Okay, so this isn't perfect, but let's say I want the player to end up in the center right here. So what I would do is I would go to whatever room I want to start on. So I want to start on this room that I've titled Month 6. And I want to go to Exits and Endings. And I want to create a new one. So I go Add, Exit, or Ending. And I want this to be a one-way exit. I don't want you to be able to go back and forth between them. That's what I've set all my other exits to, is it's just one way. You can never go back. So I'm going to set a one-way exit. And I'm going to move it. So you see how it pops up right here. I'm going to move my exit to right here. And then now I have to move my destination. So let me go to the other room. So this is the room that as for example, I wanted to move my destination to. So I'll move my destination to right here, the center of this space. Not a perfect circle, doesn't matter. So then just as an example, let me show you, let me put my avatar in here and show you what would happen if we started the game. So wherever you place your avatar is where you start the game. So we'll just, as an example, start the game here and see where this takes us. Okay, so we started here where we put our player. We remember our exit is down here, so I'm just going to walk down to the exit, and boom, it takes us exactly where we told it, and there's no way to go back. If you wanted to go back, you would just set this as, instead of a one-way exit, just a normal exit, and then as we saw, there's also an option to end the game. So there's lots of different things you can do with this, but that's generally how you would do that.